a child is a student from class 6 to 8, they would of course have one standardized question on litmus testing or acid base detection for their Olympiad examination or any other science examination. Now the interesting thing to note is it is not just the litmus test that works for your acid base analysis, but besides litmus there are four main important tests that work. Those are pH paper, phenolphthalein, hibiscus and methyl orange. Now interesting to note is what color is seen in which test, and this is really important. Now for a litmus test, blue turns red, so you can remember it as bar, that is blue turns red in acidic conditions, and that is with a litmus paper, which is the oldest and the simplest indicator of an acid base. However, it turns blue in an alkaline or basic solution. The pH paper would be neutral if it is yellow. If it is acidic, it would turn red. If it is basic, it would turn blue. Phenolphthalein is colorless in acidic and neutral solution but turns pink in basic solution. Very important to note. In contrast to this, hibiscus, which is a natural indicator, turns pink in acidic solution. So not to confuse, phenolphthalein is pink in basic solution, hibiscus is pink in acidic solution, and hibiscus remains green or turns green in basic solution, right? And then is methyl orange. Again the same as litmus paper, methyl orange is red in acidic, but for the basic it turns yellow and not blue as in the case of litmus paper. So those are some of the minor variations, very important. Off and on there are questions based on which method would give you which color for acid base testing. Very standardized question for most of the Olympiads. This single slide would help you solve that questions. So stay tuned, prepare well. We'll be coming up with more interesting topics like these. Thank you.